Okay, let's start. First, if you are in your anything, maybe create a workflow, and here you want to start. Okay, you want to send a document in Pinecone. Okay, the link will be in description to get access to Pinecone. This is Pinecone here, but we'll start with Google Drive, where we want to find a document and we want to send the document in Pinecone and use it. So if you do one click here, you can write Google Drive, click on Drive, and click here. Okay, here you want to find the document. So if I go to my Google Drive and this knowledge base, drag it in the top in my, okay, I want to paste it, put it here. Okay, this is the folder where I have my Google Doc. Okay, so in anything I can connect this account. Okay, here you need to create a new credential. Okay, so here I have already a tutorial about it. If you check the link in the description, you will see Google credential, and follow this link in the description and follow this video to understand how to create a new credential. Okay, the link will be in the description. So let's continue. Okay, so here I have my credential, and you can go there. You want to take your folder. If I do one click, and here you can look for your folder, write your folder name. My folder name here is knowledge base, and I can choose it here. And in this knowledge base I want to click on here and click on fetch event, and I get this information. If I go to table, and I can drag the name of my Google knowledge base for masterpiece. Okay, this is the name here, and I have it here. So now once I have my document, I want to send it to, I want to download it, so that I can add again Google Drive, download file, and here, and I want to download by ID. Okay, I have already my account, so I can go to find the ID of this file. Okay, the ID look like something like this. Okay, so if I go here, I can look for the ID. Okay, if I go down, this is the ID here. Okay, this is the name, and in top of the name we have the ID of the document that's here. So if I click on test step, I get a download to download the file. Okay, now I want to send it to Pinecone. Okay, for that, the link in the description, you can get access to Pinecone to create a free account. And once you create a free account, you can create an index. If you do one click on create index, you can add a name you want, maybe company information, like this. Okay, and here you must to choose a configuration. Let's choose text embody free small. Okay, go down and keep it in default, and keep it here, and choose the same as me, and click on create index. So you have your Pinecone account. You need to find the API key. Okay, here and left, if you do one click, this is the name you'll use but go to find your API key, click on API key and create the API key, something like that. Okay, and create it, get the code, go to your anything, click here, add Pinecone, click on vector store, add document, and go to create a new credential, paste your API key here, connect it, and it's done. and now you want to insert document. Okay, so here in your Pinecone, maybe you have many index. If I go to check it, close this, go to database, index, I have company information, 10-day knowledge base, and Chatbot. So in my anything, you can find all index you create there. So this is where we want to add our information, and here you need to create a name, a database name, because here you don't have it. Once you send information, it will be storage in base here with a name you will create here. So let me add knowledge base, and it's done. After that, you must add a OpenAI. This text embedding free small, we choose it when we create a knowledge base. Okay, so you must choose the same here. If you when you create your knowledge base index, let me show you. Maybe you create a new, if you use free small in the configuration, you must use free small. If you use another like a free large, or that you choose here, when you connect your Pinecone, you must choose the same. Okay, it works. And after that, you must to add this configuration. If you do one click here, you have maybe to choose JSON or binary, but here you'll notice that you have binary. Okay, let me show you. If I do one click here, this is that we want to download. Okay, you don't want to download the JSON or something else, you want to download the binary. So choose binary here, and it's done. After that, do one click here and choose this, because this will change your binary document, create many small chunk, and organize those chunk, because maybe in the document you have some information about company contact, about company prices, and this configuration will change them and organize it in the same place and send it to Pinecone. I think you understand, because my English is very bad. So after that, it's done. You can click on test step. Okay, if I do one click here, you can wait, and okay, the document is in our Pinecone. If I go to check it, index, company information, and you'll notice that we have knowledge base. The name we create when we add this knowledge base, this name is here. Okay, and we have 1 2 3 4 chunk. Okay, 4 chunk. Why I say 4 chunk? This configuration, create 4 chunk, 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 and 4 chunk of 1000 character. Okay, this chunk has 1000, this chunk has 1000, 1000, 1000, and send it to your knowledge base. And this configuration, this tools is to organize your information, put all information in the same place, and send it to Pinecone. And like that, your AI agent will be able to go find information very quickly. Okay, and this is the first step, and the next is to create an AI agent which can get access to Pinecone and send information. So I can add chat here, target chat, and add AI agent with and this LLM OpenAI. You must create a new credential here, it is very easy to create a new credential. You need to go to Open AI platform. If you go down, maybe it is somewhere here. Let me find it. Let me click here. Okay, it is here. You click here, you go down API key, you click here and you create your account. Once you are connected with your account, you need to add some money if you go there for the first, and after that you need to go to API to create your API. Let me show you. It is very easy. This is my account here. If I don't click, I can go to profile, and profile in billing you need to add some money, maybe $5 or 10. After that, API key, you create a new API key, you choose default, you create a name, you click here and you get a code to connect your API here. You add it here, you click on save and it's done. You can choose the model you want here and you can start talking with it. Okay, here if I click here, open chat and say hi, it will reply me as an assistant, a simple assistant. Okay, but I want to get access to this pinecone, find information about company and give me. So I can click here to add pinecone vector store, and here once I create a new credential, to create a new credential you only need to find API key, and here I must to add the name of my knowledge base of my, let me find this first. This is where I have the data, and the name, let me find it, the name, this name, copy it, paste it here. Okay, and it's done. It's called this tool to find information about the company. Okay, now I must to add a system message about the company. So here, this is all information about the company. I can go to ChatGPT. Maybe I can download this file, download it in PDF, go to ChatGPT and paste it here and say I have an AI agent which must use this document from pinecone to answer to customer requests. So create a system message for that. Copy this system message and go to my AI agent and paste it here. So now if I click here to create a chat, I can see where the company and send. Master Space located in Dallas, Texas. So if I go there and check, Master Space site is located in Dallas. So our AI agent can now get access to pinecone and find information to answer. Okay, so it is very simple to send your data in vector store, and your AI agent can be able to get access there and answer. So this is all. It is a small tutorial to show you how you can send information in pinecone and how you can get information from pinecone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. See you next.